Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to record now. Open the chat and make sure the keyboard is down so the microphone icon is visible. This speeds things up. If Telegram asks for mic access, grant it. Without permission, recording won't work. Use headphones with a mic or move to a quieter spot to reduce background noise. Once done, rest your phone in a stable place and position the mic about 6-12 inches from your mouth so your voice is clear and not distorted. Tap and hold the microphone icon to begin recording immediately. This is the fastest method. If you want to speak without holding your finger, slide up to lock the recorder and continue hands-free. Keep sentences purposeful and pause briefly between ideas so listeners can follow. This also avoids long single clips. If you make a mistake, cancel by sliding away before releasing. Make sure to listen to a quick playback when finished to confirm volume and clarity. Release the microphone button to send the note, and if you change your mind, swipe left before letting go to cancel. After sending, tap and hold the message to forward it, delete it for everyone within the allowed window, or reply selectively. If your recording doesn't work, make sure Telegram has mic permissions in your device settings, restart the app, and try again. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, reboot the device and test with a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.